Welcome, my dear students, to R.A.T.S in Pathology, Shortcut to Success. I shall be continuing with the spotters. The first slide is this, the squamous papilloma. The suffix oma means it is a benign tumor. See, this is a gross feature of it. It can be removed anywhere from the oral region or in the region of the nose, tongue, larynx, skin, or genitalia. This will not be kept as a specimen but can be part of a chart. And this is the lesion. I find that there is a button-like elevation that is seen, that is blunt, and it has got multiple broad finger-like projections. I cannot make out the cellular details. And if you look at it carefully, look at this RBCs over here. This is called a fibrovascular core. So there is a fibro. Look at this beautiful blood vessels. And this is the tumor. Below that, there is a subepithelial connective tissue. So it is a squamous papilloma. Squamous papilloma, again, a higher magnification, beautiful picture, thanks to Brown med. What I'm seeing is a fibrovascular core, and there are branching finger-like projections, broad projections, which have got multiple nuclei. There is a fibrovascular core that is seen. These are all branches of the core. This is again a fantastic picture which can be drawn. There can be polygonal cells. These are all the nuclei, and surrounding it there is a polygonal cytoplasm. No pleomorphism. This is the basement membrane which is intact. No invasion. So I would like you people to kindly draw this, the squamous papilloma. These are the sources of this particular one, and the reference I have also mentioned. We shall be going to slide number 15. The squamous cell carcinoma. It is a malignant counterpart of both the gross and the microscopic. This can be kept as a specimen, an amputated specimen of the penis, which is showing, okay, a squamous cell carcinoma, a cauliflower-like growth. Look at this one, it is almost similar. So it is grayish brown in this case, friable. There is no covering skin or epithelium that is seen. And it is an amputated specimen. Large, fungating, proliferating, friable, cauliflower-like growth, which is there. There can be some areas of hemorrhage and necrosis, but this is a surgical margin which is free. This is also a squamous cell carcinoma of the foot. Ulceroproliferative, there are areas of necrosis and hemorrhage. You people will have to write the measurement for each and every specimen. And this is a rare tumor of the larynx, wherein there is a fungating, friable growth, grayish white with necrosis. The moment you touch it, it becomes friable. And I'm also able to see the glistening cartilage, which is pinkish gray or pinkish white in appearance. The lower end of the surgical specimen is free of tumor. So it is squamous cell carcinoma larynx. So this is the microscopic one, the next slide. I'm finding that the tumor cells are arranged in large nests. Nest means a collection of cells. So how would I say that is a collection of cells? I'm able to see multiple nuclei that are concentrically arranged each other, which are called as epithelial pearls. This arrow is a classical example of it. And in the middle, I'm finding the supporting stroma, which has got inflammatory cells. Squamous cell carcinoma. So there's a higher magnification. There can be intercellular bridges. Look at the bridges between two cells. So this is the blue color is the nucleus, and the surrounding pale one is the cytoplasm. Sometimes within the cell itself, there can be keratinization. Abundant eosinophilic cytoplasm, intercellular bridges, keratinization. Thanks to these sources, squamous cell carcinoma is the diagnosis. And this is a large epithelial pearl. I would like you people to kindly describe. Please appreciate the concentric arrangement of the cells. And this is the nucleus, the pinkish one is the cytoplasm. Epithelial pearl, just like an oyster. Susantak.